Hey guys, it's churro time. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade churros. So for the dough, you will need half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, 115 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to put this on the stove and bring to boil. You want to stir this in gradually till it comes to a boil. Thereafter, adding a cup of flour, and we're going to cook this dough until we see a thin film at the bottom of the pot. That's when it's cooked. There I'm going to show you a close up. Yes, that's cooked perfectly. In the next step, we're going to use our electric beater to cool the dough down. You will need 4 eggs, and we're going to add 1 egg at a time, gradually beating this into the mixture. Here goes egg number 2 mixed, egg number 3 mixed, and egg number 4 mixed. We need to beat this batter for around 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Use a spoon and scrape the sides of the bowl, putting it into a piping bag with a star nozzle. Make sure your oil is warm enough, and I'm going to use a scissors to cut off the ends of my churros. Once the churros is out of the oil, you're going to use half a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon to dust the churros. That looks so good. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you churros with chocolate sauce and strawberries. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel. It's time for me to try this out. And here we go. This is too good, my new favorite addiction. I'm just going to break it up and show you how soft and spongy it is on the inside.